This project it's a split learning project, which was initiated by the Office of National Coordinator, the ONC. The project itself was in two phases. Phase one was just to get the technology, and we did that in collaboration with an organization called the Interoperability Institute. They ran the centralized service. We ran our part of it, the HIE part of it, on our infrastructure. We were able to help them come up with a better system that prevented visibility of data between the systems, which was the goal. The second phase is to bring in the other HIEs, health information exchanges, and to have 3 HIEs train the model. And the process of that training is a back and forth of, here's what I expect, here's what I've gotten, and adjusting the model to get it closer to what you're expecting. One of the biggest challenges in training a model is getting enough data. You can never have too much, is the adage. In the case of predictive modeling, you're trying to predict, given new data, what is going to be the answer. You have imaging data that's been analyzed in a model, and you have a new image of a tissue, and you want to know, is this tissue cancerous? If you have a well-trained model, it can look at that image and tell you with a good confidence level that you do or do not have cancer. But over time, it gets more and more what you're expecting it to do, and it starts predicting what you're wanting it to predict. In healthcare, a lot of times that's centered around diagnosis, risk factors, determining what possible causes of a problem are. The purpose of the split learning is to take multiple data sets, but data sets that should know about each other, and yet train a common model that's able to do a better job of diagnosing whether a patient might have a rare condition that's hard to diagnose. The end goal for this project is to have a framework that's open source, that is proven with real-world data. There's a lot of work that happens with synthetic data sets. This is real-world data from our HIE to have that evidence that 3 were able to come together, but in a safe way to build a unified model that is effective across all 3 HIEs.